ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 498। In summary, what was discussed so far? Jiva, is it Amsha of Paramatma? No. Whenever the Shruti says it is Amsha or Smriti says it is Amsha, it is not to be taken literally. Why? Amsha, Iva Amsha, why it was said? Why you are taking it as Gunavad? When you give Hetu, it should be the reason because of which everything else is taken. Like why you are taking it Gunavada? Why you are not taking it as
लोक
actual?
अविरोधी
Bodhar,
लोक अविरोधी
Loka, Avirodhi. No, you have to give Hetu. Hetu,
एकत्व प्रत्यया
there it is given. No, what is meant is if Jiva becomes Amsha, then there is Yukti Virodha. Even if it is given in Shruti, there is Yukti Virodha. And what is the Yukti Virodha? That which is Amsha, Amshi will become Vinash. If Jiva is Amsha of Paramatma, Paramatma will become Vinashi. This is the Hetu. This is the main reason. So, Savayavatvam or Amshamshitva Kalpana, here in Tika it is given Loka Virodhat. That's what she answered. Vastutaha na sambhavati. Why? Loka Virodhat. Loka Virodha means Loka says this, that whatever is Savayava will be Vinashi or Anitya. And you have accepted Paramatma as Nitya. That is what is that line says. Parasya Nityo Abhyupagata. So whenever there is long discussion, we should know at least in the gist what is said. This was discussed like that. Further, page 498, first line in Bhashya. So now Darshtantikam is given. Tatraivam sati Vijnanatmanah Paramatma Vikarankshatva Vachakaha Shabdaha Paramatmaikatva Pratyayadhitsavaha. Tatra evam sati Vijnanatmanah means Jivatmanah. Vijnanatmanah Paramatma Vikarankshatva Vachakaha Shabdaha. Jivatma is Vikara of Paramatma or Amsha of Paramatma. Paramatmanah Vikarasya Anshasya iti Vikaramshau. Tayor Bhavaha. So Vikaranshat. Or Vikara and Amsha you can take as karmadharaya also, it's not necessary that vikara means amsha. They could be different. But he has taken both together. Tayor bhavaha or tasya bhava vikaranshvatvam tadvachaka shabdaha. परमात्मैकत्व प्रत्ययाधित्सवः प्रत्ययाधित्सव सिटी का परमात्मन सह जीवस्य एकत्व विषयम् प्रत्ययम् आधातुम् इच्छन्ति इति तथोक्ताः तथोक्ताः परमात्मैकत्व प्रत्यय आधित्सवः परमात्मना सह जीवस्य एकत्व विषयम्. Those Shruti Vakyas or Smriti Vakyas, where there is Shabda which says Jiva is Vikara of Paramatma or Jiva is Amsha of Paramatma. Such Shabdas, what are they trying to show? Not that it is Jiva or Amsha. What they are trying to show? Paramatmana saha Jivasya Ekatva Vishayam. This pratyaya it wants us to have. Means this understanding that those shabdas want us to have. Ekatva vishayam pratyayam adhatum icchanti. Adhatum icchanti iti adhitsavaha. Pratyayam adhatum icchanti iti pratyayadhitsavaha. In pratyayadhitsavaha आधातुम इच्छन्ति. आधातु, what is the dhatu there? Dha, to dhai. Dharana poshana yoho. In that dha, dhitsavaha. Dha will become dhi. How? So there is a sutra, you can note that down. So first there will be abhyasa, and then dha will become this. Sani mi ma ghur abha labha shaka pata padam acha is. So dha will become this. Sani means when there is sun pratyaya. So here there is sun pratyaya. Sani mi ma ghur abha labha shaka pata padam acha is. So number 7454. 7454. And then dha lopa will happen. That's why in the final form, it is not dha dhitsavaha. It is pratyaya dhitsavaha. Dha lopa will happen. By the sutra, atra lopo abhyasasya. This is known. 7458. Lopo abhyasasya. Abhyasa means the first one of the two, that which is closer to the pratyaya is not abhyasa. The first one is considered as abhyasa. Abhyasa sanya that will get. It's lopa. What is the meaning of all these analysis that I did? What was the sentence? What is it, the meaning?
It is Jiva is not to show the difference from Amsha or Vikara of Paramatma. Jiva is not different from Paramatma. That is the.
So, if Paramatma is Chaitanya, Jivatma is Chaitanya. This much it wants to communicate. It is according to us, Advaitin. The Dvaitins will say, no, you have come out with this idea. We want to understand it differently. Let them understand it. Then they will have Virodha somewhere else. Like what was the Virodha? If you consider it as Savajavi or Amshi, it will be Vinashi. It cannot be Nitya. Then they will say it is Alaukika. Therefore, it is not, Laukika Drashtanta will not work there. Somehow they will find a workaround. Means in our buddhi, Siddhanta Paksha also should be clear, Purva Paksha also should be clear, what arguments they will come with, how they will avoid such things, everything you should know. परस्परम विरुध्यन्ते तैरयम न विरुध्यते. So then whenever some Dvaiti say something, yes, you are right. तेषाम् एकत्व प्रत्ययावतार हेतुत्वे हेत्वन्तरं संगृह्णाति. तेषाम् एकत्व प्रत्ययावतार हेतुत्वे तेषां सृष्टिवाक्यानां. Now we are coming to सृष्टिवाक्य. सृष्टिवाक्यानां एकात्म्य ऐकात्म्य प्रतिपत्तौ तात्पर्यवत्वं. So the सृष्टिवाक्य, they have this ekatva pratyaya as their objective hetu. In that, another hetu is given, hetvantaram sangrihnati. How do you say this? So it is said upakramopasamharabhyam, based on upakrama upasamhara. Tadeva sputayati. He makes it clear now. Sarvasu hi upanishadsu पूर्वम एकत्वं प्रतिज्ञाय दृष्टान्तैर हेतुभिश्च परमात्मनो विकारांशादित्वं जगतः प्रतिपाद्य पुनरेकत्वं उपसंहरति. In all Upanishads, first ekatvam प्रतिज्ञाय, सदैव सौम्य इदमग्र आसीत् एकमेव द्वितीयम् एकत्वं प्रतिज्ञाय. Then दृष्टान्तैः हेतुभिश्च परमात्मनो विकारांशादित्वं जगतः प्रतिपाद्य. जगत इज परमात्मा विकार, जगत इज परमात्मा अंश, और जीव इज विकार एंड अंश. विद दृष्टांत हेतु, all of that is said. Then पुनः एकत्वम उपसंहार. उपसंहार is that you are तत्त्वमसि. Otherwise, it will never say Tattvamasi. You will have to say Tasya Tvamasi, Tasya Amsha Tvamasi, Tasmin Tvamasi, like that. Uktam Artham Udaharana Nishthataya Vibhajate. 4 number tippani and 5 number you see. Drishtanta is Dundubhyadibihi. Dundubhi Drishtanta will come in Yagnavalkya Maitreyi dialogue in this chapter. Mrilloha Drishtanta is also there. Huh? And Tajjanyatvadi, Tajjanyatvam, this is the Hetu. Udaharana Nishthataya Vibhajate. This Tad Yatha Ihaiva tavat idam sarvam yadayam atma iti pratignyaya. This is again Yagnavalkya Maitreyi. Ihaiva tavat idam sarvam yadayam atma iti pratignyaya. Utpatti sthiti laya hetu drishtantair vikar vikaritvadi ekatva pratyaya hetun pratipadya anantaram abahyam अयम आत्मा ब्रह्म इति उपसंहरिष्यति. अनंतरम अबाह्यम 2519. So in the upakrama, what is given? Sarvam idam sarvam yadayamat. Idam brahma, idam kshatram, ime deva, ime veda, imani bhutani, idagam sarvam yadayam atma. This is the mantra. It comes slightly differently here in this chapter, but this is from 4th chapter. Same comes twice. And this is the pratignya. Then utpatti sthiti laya hetu drishtanta. What are the drishtanta? Dundubhyadi drishtanta. Then vikara vikaritvadi ekatva pratyaya hetun pratipadya. That tajjanyatvad. So what is tajjanyam is tad abhinnam, like suvarna, alankara, etc. Hetun pratipadya, anantaram abahyam. This is Brahma, not Brahya. Brahma iti upasamharishyati. Ayam atma Brahma. Apurvam, anaparam, anantaram, abhahyam. That is how the Shruti is. Apurvam, anaparam, anantaram, abhahyam. Very important, beautiful Shruti. It is given in Mandukya Karika also. Tika. Iha iti prakruta Upanishad uktihi. Iha means in this Upanishad. Adi shabdena amshamshitva grihyate. Amshamshitva also similar. Vikara vikaritva, amshamshitva. Vivrutam sangraha vakya upasamharati. So now Acharya is concluding this. Tasmat upakramopasamharabhyam ayam artho nishchiyate. What? Paramatmaikatva pratyaya dradimna utpatti sthiti laya pratipadakani vakyani iti. What is the shabda Paramatmaikatva pratyaya dradimna?
Dradhiman. Nakaranta.
No, I said the entire shabda. Paramatma ekatva pratyaya dradimna. Dradiman shabda. Then what happens? This is which vibhakti is this one? Chaturthi. Dradimne. Paramatma ekatva pratyaya dradimne. Dradimne means dardhyaya. To make this dridha, that I am Brahma. Paramatma ekatva means my ekatva with Paramatma. So not that we are two similar. Not that. There is only one. I am Paramatma. Paramatma ekatva means this. Anytime if Jivatma Bhava is there, what will happen to me? This Sharira, that, all. Forget it. This is called Paramatma ekatva pratyaya dradimne. Utpatti sthiti laya pratipadakani vakyani. These, all the Shruti Vakyas which talk about Srishti Sthiti Laya, their objective is this only. Tesham swarthanishtatve dosham vadan ekatva pratyarthatve hetvantaram aha. If they are swarthanishtha, which one are swarthanishtha? Srishti Vakya, it is given already. If Srishti Vakyas are swarthanishtha, swarthanishtha means Swartha means
For its own sake.
if they are actually talking about creation, they are there in Upanishad. If their objective was to actually communicate about creation, then what would happen? There would be Vakya Bheda. Anyatha Vakya Bheda. Means, what is the objective of Upanishad? Jiva Brahma Ekatva or Srishti Pratipadana? So if you say, this is also there, Jiva Brahma Ekatvam also, and that Srishti is there, and it is so beautiful, and it is, poets go on and on and on. See, this is not the objective. There is only one objective. And that's why if you take entire Veda also, even karma, with Jiva Brahma Aikya and karma, dharma, there also there will be Vakya Bheda. So you cannot say Veda wants to do Pratipadanam of two. unless you say Veda have two different portions, which we can accept. So then you say Veda Purva is different darshan and it has one Vakya, means one message to communicate. And Veda Uttar has another message to communicate, and they are separated. That's how there are two darshanas, two Mimamsas, Purva and Uttara are separated out. That's why there are two sutras. This is all Mimamsa part, how to look at the Granthas. Now you see another. Sambhavati ekavakyatve vakya bhedascha neshyate iti nyaya. I explained, I think, in this session, what is this Shabda Nyaya, iti Nyaya. Right? Nyaya doesn't mean same thing all the time. Sometimes it is Anumana Pramana. Sometimes it is Brahma Sutra. Sometimes it is Laukika Nyaya. Now here it is Tantra Vartika, for which Nyaya Shabda is used. Sambhavati ekavakyatve is given in Tippani. When ekavakya is possible, vakya bheda you should not accept. Iti nyayana uktam prapanchayati. Sarvopanishatsu hi vijnanatmanah paramatmanaikatva pratyayo vidhiyata iti avipratipattih sarvesham upanishadvadinam. Sarvesham upanishadvadinam avipratipatti. There is no confusion for all Upanishadvadins. What? That Vijnanatmanah Paramatmana Ekatva Pratyaya Vidhiyate. Vidhiyate means this is enjoined, not that there is a Vidhi. Upadishyate. Vidhiyate means Upadishyate. That Paramatma is one with Jivatma. Sarvesham Upanishadvadinam. In which Upanishad? Is Sarvopanishadshu, in all Upanishads. Kincha tesham swarthanishtatve shruta phala bhavat phalantaram kalpaniyam. Not only that, in Bhashya, see first. Tat विधि एक वाक्य योगे च संभवति उत्पत्त्यादि वाक्यानां वाक्यांतरत्व कल्पनायां न प्रमाणमस्ति. तद विधि means that उपदेश एक वाक्य योगे च संभवति. When एक वाक्य योग is possible, उत्पत्त्यादि वाक्यानां वाक्यांतरत्व कल्पनायां, that they are another vakya, means they have different vishaya as pratipadya. In that kalpana there is no pramana. Kalpanayam na pramanam asti. So earlier we saw this portion, Shruti Linga Vakya Prakana Sthana Samakhyanam Samavaye Paradaurpayam
Artha Viprakarsha.
Artha Viprakarsha. This is one niyama. Just because something is given there does not mean that is the main objective. Because you have to see if it is Shruti, if it is Linga, Vakya, Prakarana, and what is Balavan will decide what is said there. This is another way. So, Bhagavan Bhashyakar has taken such concepts and explained them in different places in Brihadaranyaka Bhashya. So, Vakyantaratva Kalpanayam na pramanam asti. Not only that, Kincha in Tika, Tesham Swarthanishtatve Shruta Phala Abhavat. Let's say they have their own prayojanam. Swarthanishtatva means Shruti Vakya, Utpatti Vakya have their own prayojanam. If they have their own prayojanam, what is the phalam of knowing Utpatti? Shruta Phala Abhavat. So if Shruta Phala is not there, Phalantaram Kalpaniyam, you will have to do Kalpana of some other phalam. which is not correct. न च एकत्व प्रत्यय शेषतया तत्फले निराकांक्षेषु तेषु तत्कल्पना युक्ता. एकत्व प्रत्यय शेषतया तत्फले, if there is ekatva pratyaya sheshataya tatphale nirakankshesu teshu, that which is not having any phala, tat kalpana na yukta. If phalam is not there, then you should not do kalpana of such thing. दृष्टे सति अदृष्ट कल्पना अनवकाशात. This is also beautiful. दृष्टे सति adrishta, what is already given there, pratyaksha, giving that up and you do some adrishta kalpana, there is no scope for that. Phalantaram cha kalpayitavyam syat, you will have to do another phala kalpana. Utpatyadi shrutinam swarthanishtatva asambhave phalitam upasambharati. Therefore, utpatyadi shruti are not swarthanishta. This is the conclusion. Tasmad utpatyadi shrutaya atmaikatva pratipadana paraha. Therefore, only one prayojan they have to communicate, I am Brahma. Tattvamasyadi vakyam aikyaparam tacheshah srishtyadi vakyam iti ukte arthe. Now you see. Tattvamasyadi vakyam is aikyaparam. And tat shesha is srishtyadi vakya. Similarly, tat shesha upasanadi vakya. All the upasana vakyas are also shesha of tattvamasi. Tat shesha is also akhyayika. All the akhyayikas, whatever Nachiketa is there, Yamacharya is there, Shweta, all of that is shesha. Right? They all come together to communicate only one thing. Only one message is there. Full Vedas, one message. I am Brahma. In this, Dravidacharya Sammatim is given. So there was one Acharya whose name was Dravidacharya. Huh? Because in Brahma Sutra such names are also given. Like Audulomi. Audulomi in Laghu Kaumadi, that Shabda is there. That Shabda, it is there. Like that, this Shabda also, this name also, Dravidacharya. अत्र च संप्रदाय विदः आख्यायिकां संप्रचक्षते. A story is given by संप्रदाय विदः. संप्रदाय विद is Dravidacharya. In Sureshwaracharya ji was from Madhya Pradesh area somewhere, Mahishmati. This side little. So, right. So there, he in Naishkarmya Siddhi, he said Dravidaha. He makes some comment about Dravid people. The context I will tell you, nothing negative. He just says in them, the Samana Gotra wedding is possible. Something like that he says. Elsewhere in North it is not there. But something else is allowed in North. I heard that, which is not allowed in South. The Brahmanas in up North, they eat what is prohibited by people in South. So this Akhyayika, this is Prasiddha. You already know. I will just read it and you will know it. Tika. Tatra drishtanta rupam akhyayikam pranayati. Akhyayika is given. Now, Kaschit Kila Rajaputro. First, I will just read the Bhashya story. Kaschit Kila Rajaputro Jatamatra Eva Mata Pitrabhyam Apavidho Vyadagrihe Samvarditaha. This Rajaputra, he was separated from his parents. Jatamatra, as he was born, he was separated from Mata Pitrabhyam Apavidya. Vyadagrihe Samvardita, and he was raised in the tribal people, those hunter family, Vyadagrihe Samvardita. So Amushya Vamshatam Ajanan, not knowing his own Vamsha, he considered himself as Vyadajati Pratyayo. Vyadajati Pratyaya Yasya Saha Vyadajati Pratyaya. Means Aham Vyadajati Jatikah. Vyadajati Karmani Eva Anuvartate. And he followed all the Vyadajati Karma. He would do such activities. Na Raja Asmiti. Raja Jati Karmani Anuvartate. Raja Asmiti Raja Jati Karmani na Anuvartate. He never remembered, he never knew he is Raja. Then what happens? This is what happens. Yada Punah Kaschit Paramakaraniko. Some Paramakarunika Guru comes in his life. Rajaputrasya Rajashri Prapti Yogyatam Janan. He saw this person is going to get Rajashri, means some wealth with kingdom and all this. Is Yogya for that. Prapti Yogyatam Janan. Because he saw some birthmark or some Kundali somehow. Amushya Putratam Bodhayati. He says, you are the son of this Raja. Natvam Vyadaha. Amushyaha Rajnyaha Putraha. You are not hunter or tribal. You are the son of this Raja. Kathanchit Vyadagriham Anupravishta iti. Somehow, in some Vyadagriha, you have entered. Sa evam bodhitas tyaktva Vyadajati Pratyaya Karmani Pitru Paitamahi Matmanaha Padavim Anuvartate. Then he give, as soon as he gets the knowledge, sa evam bodhitaha Tyaktva Vyadajati Pratyaya Karmani. He left all. So we are not like that. We are told we are Brahma, Jivatva, we don't give up. He is not like that. He is told he is Raja, he gives up Vyadajati Pratyaya Karma. Pitru Paita Mahim Atmanaha Padvim, and what position he gets from his father, Pitamaha, etc. As Raja, he follows that now. Padvim Anuvartate. How they were. How Raja Aham Asmi. This is the Katha. Tika. तत्र दृष्टांत रूपाम आख्यायिकाम प्रणयति. जातमात्रे प्रागवस्थायाम एव राजा अस्मि इति अभिमान अभिव्यक्ते. जातमात्रे means as soon as he is born, at that time प्रागवस्थायाम एव राजा अस्मि इति अभिमान अभिव्यक्ति was not there. आपका पाठ क्या है? अभिव्यक्ति है क्या? That is the meaning of Kaschit. Kaschit killer. Now what is killer? ताभ्याम तत्परित्यागे निमित्त विशेषस्य अनिश्चितत्व द्योतनार्थम किल इति उक्तम। ताभ्याम तत्परित्यागे, ताभ्याम मात्र पितृभ्याम, तत्परित्यागे निमित्त विशेषस्य अनिश्चितत्व द्योतनार्थम some killer Rajaputta. We don't know how he ended up there, but he did. You want to say something? जातमात्र इति टिप्पणीकार से only that. जातमात्र इति पाठांतरम. जातमात्र means प्राग अवस्था है. In टीकाकार, after some time, maybe a month or whatever, a few days, जातमात्र in that way. व्याध जाति प्रत्ययस तत्प्रयुक्तो व्याधो अस्मि इति अभिमानो यस्य सः. So this happens when he is surrounded by vyadha parivara. He will have only this pratyaya, I am vyadha jati, and vyadho asmi iti abhimana. This abhimana comes. Vyadha jati karmani tat prayuktani mamsa vikrayanadini. And he does all this karya, mamsa vikraya, etc. Vyadha jati will do all this. राजा अस्मि इति अभिमान पूर्वकम तज्जाति प्रयुक्तानि परिपालनादीनि कर्माणि. राजा अस्मि इति अभिमान पूर्वकम, those karmas he is not doing. And तज्जाति प्रयुक्त, what do rajas do? Paripalana, etc. That he did not do. अज्ञानम तत्कार्यम च उक्त्वा ज्ञानम तत्फलम च दर्शयति. So his ajnana time is explained. Now jnana and its phalam. Yada bodhana prakaram abhinayati natvam vyadha amushya rajñah putra. Katham tarhi shabara veshma pravesha. Then how did I end up in this family, and this feather is there and some kind of whatever necklaces they wear are so different than what the royal people wear. कथंचित व्याधगृहम अनुप्रविष्ट. राजा अहम अस्मीति अभिमान पूर्वकम आत्मनः पितृपैतामहीं पदवीम अनुवर्तते इति संबंध. Then later, once he understood, he left everything, he went back and started doing all the karma of the royal duties. This is दृष्टांत. दार्ष्टान्तिक रूपायाम दार्ष्टान्तिक रूपाम आख्यायिकाम आचष्टे तथा तथा किल अयम परस्माद् अग्निविस्फुलिंगादिवत् तज्जातिरेव विभक्त इह देहेन्द्रियादि गहने प्रविष्टो असंसारी सन देहेन्द्रियादि संसार धर्मम अनुवर्तते. This Paramatma itself has entered into this. How? That is communicated through this drishtanta of Agni Visfulinga. Tad jatireva. But vibhaktaha, as if separated. Iha deha indriyadi gahane pravishtaha, in this gambhira vanam, he is entered of deha indriya, etc. And then deha indriyadi samsara dharma anuvartate, like how he was following the dharma of vyadha. How dehendriya sanghato asmi, I am the sanghata. Sthulosmi, krishosmi, sukhi, dukhi, paramatmatam ajanan atmana. He does not know his paramatmatva, brahmatva. Natu natvam एतदात्मकः परमेव ब्रह्म अस्सि असंसारी इति प्रतिबोधितः आचार्येण हित्वा एषणात्रय अनुवृत्तिं च ब्रह्मैवास्मि इति प्रतिपद्यते. And when the Parama Karunika Acharya says, Natvam etadaatmakah, Natvam hetuphalatmakah, Brahmasi, you are Brahma, asamsari in this way, then what he does, that is more important. Up to this is all story. Hitva Yashanatraya, this is what we have to do. Give up Putra Vitraya, all the Yashanas, and Brahmaivasmi, this is the Anuvritti, Pratipadyate. Tika, just one or two lines are there. Jivasya, acha, we'll do tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.